JD from the Casual Cruisers here, and we're going to jump into the Royale app for checking out your adult arcade points. First thing you do when you bring up the app, you're going to tap the person icon in the upper right. It'll bring you to the area where it shows your cruise that you selected. If you have multiple cruises, obviously, you can scroll through those. The area that's still loading, that's the one you want. It's going to come up, Club Royale. It's going to show you some info. You tap on it, it brings you to this page. This shows your current tier credits and how many credits you need to get to the next level. This just happened right after the new year, so my credit points, tier credits haven't hit yet. But you'll see your offers. The very first one available is right there. You can tap on it or you can scroll. Once you do, you find the one that you want to look at, you tap on it. And this is near real time, so you see it's loading. It loads and you can do all this stuff, go down one by one, or up top you have the sort and filter. If you tap on that sort and filter, it allows you to sort by earliest or latest departure date, all dates, leaving from, all ports. Now the dates, you just tap on the months of the year you want to check out. Here I think I picked December and November. And then you hit apply. Apply brings you back to the previous page. And then the ports. The ports are listed alphabetically, not by region. So you can see Cape Liberty and then Cologne, Panama or something like that. I forget which one, so I scroll by it so quick. You tap the ones you want to pick, hit apply. Again, it'll flip you back to that previous page in the sort area. You can sort by the ships. Again, ships are in alphabetical order, not by class. Tap the ships you want, click apply, tap apply. It'll bring you back to that sort page. And whatever type of rooms you might have offers for is what will be shown in the bottom. In my case, I have balcony, ocean view, and interior for my offers. I'm not a big tier player. I go and have fun and I get some offers at the adult arcade, and I'm happy with that. It's a great time. So there you go. You've got sorted picked up there. Then you can hit apply filter or balcony. Okay. And then apply filter. And then it'll filter out all those things. It'll bring up. In that case, I didn't have any offers or results. So you go back, you can clear all the filters, or you can go back in and individually change the filters. Here I'm going to scroll just so you can see there's multiple offers. You can just scroll until you get the offer you want to look at, tap on it. Here we go. I tapped on one. And again, almost real time for you here. This thing is now loading. And again, it shows you the sailings. You go through the sort and filter process as you wish. Again, remember, dates, you tap the months, leaving from, so departure ports, they're listed in alphabetical order, not by region. The ships are listed in alphabetical order, not by class or location. So if you pick a bunch of ships that are not at Fort Lauderdale, you'll get no results like I got before. Hit apply each time. It brings you back to that sort and filter page. Then when you're done, ready to do it, you hit apply filter, it brings up. Now here's all these different sailings. I'm going to scroll up. You can look at them. You can pick the one you want to look at. I believe I picked one of these just to show you what comes up. I think it brings up just like any other one. It'll bring up the itinerary for that trip. So you go ahead and look at it. You can redeem it through the app right here. You can also go online, pull up your account, redeem it online that way. Or you can always call the Club Royale phone number. I prefer calling. My wife and I both have CPAP, so it's easier for me to call and say, hey, we need the distilled water and extension cords. If you have a medical need like a medical refrigerator for diabetes medicine or a sharps container for needles, it's easier to tell them that too. Remember, what looks like a fridge is only a cooler. It's not a refrigerator in the room, so it's not necessarily going to keep your stuff at the appropriate temperature. So that's why I think it's better to call. Plus, you can look at upgrades if you want to think about upgrading from the room you're offered to an to upgrade to a new room. Here's the itinerary, as I said. You can look at it and see right there. You see the book now option, or you can hit the X and go back. You can hit the back arrow and go back, or you can scroll to other sailings. Again, there are myriad options for you in here on how to take advantage of the adult arcade offers. Again, this thing shows you your tier credits. We sailed, got off on the 5th of April or 4th of April, so it takes at least 14 days for those to hit because they haven't hit yet. In a later video, I'll go ahead and mention how long it took for them to post. It's really easy to use. It's pretty intuitive. Hope this was helpful for you, and I hope it makes it easier if you are a person who enjoys time in the adult arcade. Makes it a little easier. Royal Caribbean Group's getting a little bit better with their IT. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.